What's up, guys? Welcome back to the journey. Always remember, the journey is more important than the destination. We got this here. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'll be able to, probably do it like that. So it's a 20 Kia K5. It has some door damage. When they sent me the picture, they only sent me the picture of the door. They didn't send me the picture of this or of that or of the backside. So at this point in time, we're not gonna be repairing that until we get a word back from them about that. So yeah, I like to get the pop. It's a pop here, but it was flat, so the dent is here. This is where the dent is. But when you pop this out, all of this pops out. But you gotta knock this part in, the hot part.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They up in the waves on the tracks.
It ain't hit hoe.
Mama just hung her head and said, son,